Welcome back. Governor of Goa K. Sankara Narayana and CM in waiting Manohar Parrikar could lock horns in a legal battle. The Supreme Court has issued a fresh notice to Parrikar in the RTI-related petition filed by the Raj Bhavan. Raj Bhavan had filed a special leave petition challenging the Bombay High Court's order that the governor is a public authority.
CM in waiting Manohar Parrikar could be fighting a legal battle with the Goa governor in the Supreme Court. The Apex Court has directed that a notice be issued to Parrikar on the special leave petition filed by Raj Bhavan against in RTI case. The court was hearing two petitions filed by the Goa governor challenging the judgment of the Bombay High Court. Parrikar and Iris Rodriguez had separately sought details from Raj Bhavan, but both the requests were turned down by Raj Bhavan by stating that the governor was not a public authority. The then Governor Dr. S.S. Sidhu had approached the Bombay High Court after the State Information Commissioner had passed a judgment that the governor was a public authority. The governor approached the Bombay High Court for relief, but the Bombay High Court also ruled that the governor was a public authority and ordered information under RTI be furnished. Raj Bhavan then filed a special leave petition in the Supreme Court challenging the order. When the governor's petition came up for final hearing, the bench of Justice Jalvir Bandari and Justice Deepak Mishra noted that nobody had appeared on behalf of Parrikar despite being served a notice earlier. Hence, the bench directed that a fresh notice be served to Parrikar. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Overspeeding on a narrow road stretch along Paroda Kepe led to a bus accident on Wednesday. 27 passengers were injured in this accident. The bus skidded off the road and overturned in the field. Due to a narrow road, the complete stretch has become an accident-prone zone. Locals say accidents occur due to overspeeding by the private buses along this stretch. Watch Mayur Naik's report.
इतले लोकांक घेवन इतले रोड नॅरो आसा ते आनी कांयच पळय पडना तेमगे ट्रीप जाल्यार पुरो जाता तेमकां आनी अशें लोकांक मारून उडयता एवरी टायम एकमेकांक ओवरटेक करता इतली स्पीड मारता हें सामकें डेली चालू आसा आनी हेजेर कांयच कंट्रोल ना
5:30 जे लोकांक घेवन येता पळय तांची रेस चलता घरा कडेन वचून कोणा मेळपाक जाय तें खबर नासता ते लोकांक पळयना लोकांक पळयना
27 passengers were injured in a bus accident at Paroda Kepe on Wednesday. Such incidents are not new along this stretch. People have demanded widening of the road. South Goa Bus Owners Association President Manuel Rodriguez says no one has made any attempts to widen the road in spite of several memorandums served to the authorities.
ह्या रस्त्याक लागून जायते फावटी कंप्लेन दिल्ले आसात पयली एक फावटी आमी एक मेमोरंडम दिल्लो गव्हर्नमेंटाक तेणी करता म्हणून सांगिल्लो आनी आतां गुडेर साकून पेट्रोल पंपाक साकून आज पासून हांगा पासून तो रस्तो असोच जाल्लो आसा काँग्रेस सरकारान जावना आनी इतली टायम आमी गव्हर्नमेंटाक कंप्लेन दिवन जाली आनी कांय जालें आनी आतां एक्सिडेंट जातकीर फक्त आमचे म्हणजे बसवाल्यांचेर येता आज आतां प्रायवेट कार जाली कांय जायना आशिल्लें.
Newly elected Kunkali MLA Rajan Naik assured that road widening would be his priority.
हो रस्तो सामको रूल जाला सामको आनी तेन्ना आतां खबर काडली की आतां एक्वायर जाल्लो आसा आतां हांवें पंचायतीक सांगून बेगीन रेजोल्युशन हांगा धाडपाक सांगलां हांवें तुमी अशें कितले अशें बेगीन करपाक सोदता आतां सरकार जातकीर रोखडो हांव हें करतलो.
A reporter in Kepe, Mayur Naik.
Two dreadful incidents occurred in Carmona on Wednesday. Immediately after people gave their verdict on Tuesday, Carmona Punch Carlos George was attacked by 3 people in a restaurant. On the same night, 2 farms of Carmona Farmers Club were destroyed by some miscreants. The police have registered a complaint by the Punch member and the farmers. Mickey Pacheco told that defeated politicians should not harm the people.
People expressed their shock over the incidents occurred in Carmona on Wednesday night. In one incident, Punch member of Carmona, Carlos George, was allegedly beaten by some people. Carlos has named 3 persons in his complaint to the Kolwa police.
पर इलेक्शनान दिसा धमकी दिलो ते म्हाका स्वता घे दाखयतले म्हणटा काम कितें तें आतां पावर येल न्ही तो पावर येल ना म्हाका लावन हांव थिंगा गांवणा भितर सर थिंगा एक रेस्टॉरंट बारा भितर सरलो बाराचेर म्हाका कळना आनी देखून तें केदो कितें मला तापड मारला उड मारची पयली स्टार्टींग कित्याक हांव रेडी आसूं ना हांव नको तें एसको करतलें म्हण आनी तेजे फाटल्यान मागीर केसता माला जमनीन माला फोंटांनी
राती अबाउट 11:30 तेका 3 मनशांनी मारलो म्हणून आनी ते नांवां दिल्या एक एल्बिन एक दुसरो कोचा म्हणून आनी तिसरो जोस फ्रांसीस.
2 farms by the Carmona Farmers Club were also destroyed on the same night. The farmers alleged that some people destroyed their crops. Vegetables and fruits were destroyed from one farm, whereas a fence was burned off another farm.
गव्हर्मेंटान मातशें जें एक्शन घेवचें हें हेज्या फुडें जायना जावपा आनी हेच फुडें हें जायना जावपा मागता आमी हेंकां कडक कितें कायद्या वरवीं हेंकां दवरचें आनी भितर घालचें आनी तांकां कोण धमकी दिताय तांकां आमचे मेंबराक कोण धमकी दिताय तांकां कडक कायदो लावपाचें आनी भितर उडोवपाचें हें आमचें मागणें आहा.
सगळे माडोवन गेले पियावबा आनी दुदी बा काणयले आनी हांवें बी काणयले आनी अशें करून सगळो इतिहास केला आमगेलो.
चारूय हेचे आमी तेचे ऑफेन्स सद्या करतले. मोस्टली विल बी रजिस्टरिंग ऑफेन्स अंडर 435 आनी 379 म्हणजे उजो घालून डिस्ट्रॉय करप आनी तेतूंतली तेंचे क्रॉप चोरून व्हरप. 435 आनी 379 म्हणजे चोरी आनी IPC.
However, Nuwe MLA Miki Pacheco informed that politicians should not harm the people after their defeat.
Inquiry जावची न्हू हेंकां inquiry आतां भितर need to be arrested. अशें गोश्टी घडपाक लागल्यो बरें आतां फ्रस्ट्रेशन काडूंक लागलें बरें बारीक समाजा लोकांचें फ्रस्ट्रेशन काडूंक जायना न्हू इलेक्शन येयली गेली.
Our reporter in Margaon, Savio dies.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.